All right, girl. So this one was a little tight compared to the other, right? So here, take a deep breath for me. All the way out. Beautiful. Oh, nice. All right, girl. So if her teacher is watching, can she get an A, please? Deep breath. All the way out. Oh, for me. All the way out. Good. Relax. Nice. So yeah, there is a lot of high school kids that do come in here with low back and different headaches and maybe upper back pain. A lot of my athletes come in here. All right, here we go. Relax for me. This is her favorite part. Not. Beautiful. One more, girl. Beautiful.